Strings data types in Python. Hi, welcome to this lesson. String in general is sequence of characters, and you can use either single quotes or double quotes to represent strings data types. This is for the single line string. But for multi-line strings you can use triple quotes. Let's see this in action. Here in this case we have a simple variable called str and we equated it to a single line string data type. And this string is single line string in between double quotes, as you can see. Just sequence of characters in between double quotes. Then we printed this type of data using the print function. And you can put this string in between single quotes instead of these double quotes here. Now let's take another example, but for the multi-line string. The triple quotation marks, as you can see, are used to express the multi-line string. The example is very easy and I think things have become clear. Also, as in the lists and tuples, the counting starts from the number 0 inside the string. The first character has index 0, the second character has index 1, and so on. Here we have a single line string data type in between double quotes and its variable is called new str. And we got the first character from this string, h, that has index 0. And also we got the second character from the string, which is the character I that has index 1. It is very simple, as you can see. If you wanna get a specific character from a string data type, just use the variable name followed by square brackets and put the index of that character in between the square brackets. And just like tuples, the strings data types are immutable. So you can't change a character from the string data type that you create. In this case, the program generates an error. Str object doesn't support item assignment. It is a type error because string data type is immutable. That's it. Try to do this by yourself, and if you need any help, please ask me and I'll answer you as soon as possible to provide you support and assistance. Thanks for watching. See you again next lesson.